Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing very well. This is MKS and you're watching your channel Stock Guru. First of all, I would like to thank everybody for helping me to reach 1000 subscriber base. And since yesterday I started making daily videos on analysis of Bank Nifty, and in this daily analysis I will try to just go through how Bank Nifty behaved today and what are its chances for tomorrow. Okay, so we'll without wasting any further time, we'll go for the topic, and would request all of you to please watch the videos every day, like them, share them, so that more and more people get connected with me, which will make me make good and logical quality videos for all of you. So let's see what happened today in Bank Nifty. Firstly, let's go to the index watch. Now today the market was in full green, so most of the sectorial indices were green. As we can see, Bank Nifty, Auto, FMCG, IT, Media, Metal, everything was green. Now, why was this the case? Simply because yesterday US markets were green, and that impacted our Indian markets also. So if we go to the Nifty Bank performance of the day, we can see it opened at with some 300 points gap up than yesterday's closing, and I'll just try to show you in 15 minutes chart. So this is the 15-minute charts of today's Bank Nifty. Okay, so we can see that from last dip it has totally reversed itself, because that was a very critical dip. It was like almost 200-day moving average for Bank Nifty, where it had dipped. Let me try and make it for you on a daily day chart. You can see this. So this is exactly Nifty Bank's 200-day moving average support. So once you want to see where the supports are, you should always go for a day chart, and then you can type in the studies or indicator area moving average. So you should always see what is the moving average around 100 DEMA, 50 DEMA, and 200 specifically. So generally after 200 DEMA, the possibility of reversals are very high, because Bank Nifty as it is had fallen more than 18% from its all-time high. So since yesterday US market performed very well, and Omicron virus, which is the new variant, is not seems to be as dangerous as Delta. That is what is being perceived across the world. So that is made US markets to zoom up, and that was very much evident in our market right from the morning today. Okay, so our market opened at, in a 15-minute chart, I'll try and tell you, we opened at 36,000. Our high was 36,820. So it was just one way rally almost, and during the day close hours there was some profit booking. So it was a wonderful day for the market, and I projected somewhere around 36,300 400 areas only, but then once it started picking up, it never stopped. You can see this through 15 minutes chart. I will just try and make it a little big for you. So there was hardly any problem. There were people were just buying. There was hardly any, only this little of half an hour, rather this patch is where there was some market, tried and settled itself. But then we can see even after 1 o'clock it picked up, and post 3 o'clock only profit booking happened. So now that was the story of yesterday. The important thing is how Bank Nifty is going to perform tomorrow. So for that, as I told, the setup is very simple. We go and see what's happening in the world market, and for that we have to go to investing.com. There you can see uh, what's the scenario in US markets. Okay, so for that, what we need to see is the performance of indices. So how the US Dow futures performing. So We can see it's all green. It is the same green market like yesterday. You can see it's 500 plus US 30 Dow futures, okay, and US, Europe, everywhere it's all green. So this is an indication that and market is going to tomorrow again zoom up, maybe a big gap down tomorrow expected in Indian markets. And then if we come to the commodity part, that is very vital. Brent crude oil, look at the price. It is 75 now. 2 days back it was around 68 and it's moved up like anything. That means it is perceived across the world that Omicron is not going to be as dangerous or deadly as Delta. So there will be hardly any lockdowns expected across the world. So because of that, the Brent oil demand will not go down. That is why the price is going up. So these are the two major indicators which are prompting Indian markets to again move with a gap up. So now how will we know what is going to happen tomorrow? So for that, what we can do is we can go to a hourly setup of Bank Nifty chart, and we can see how it is shaped up on an hourly chart. So this is that hourly chart I'm talking about. So now we'll just shorten it. So it is something like this. Now where we can see that there is a cluster of supports here upside which is acting as a resistance. So if we see them clubbed together, so it is somewhere around 37,000. There is a resistance now, but since I am expecting a gap up for tomorrow, so this support, this resistance rather at 37,000 area, which is of 21 lakhs open interest, it is going to more or less break tomorrow with a gap up. And once it breaks, I expect market to move somewhere around till 37,700, 37,800 levels. This is my prediction for tomorrow, because if we see the chart also, if Bank Nifty manages to break 37,000, the next big hurdle it is going to face is somewhere around 37,800 only. You can see this. So these tops are its low points, resistance points. So this is how I have projected the market for tomorrow. So I expect a gap up for Bank Nifty tomorrow, and Bank Nifty could go as high as 37,700, 37,800 areas, and that can be confirmed through this option chain chart, which is a weekly option chain chart. Okay, so these all resistance areas will be taken care of with a because of the gap up. So I feel we need to be bullish now. The base has been made, correction has been done. The correction was roughly around 18% this time in case of Bank Nifty. So that's my analysis for today. And just I would like to share you that I have a premium group where I give calls to my premium uh, members, and I don't give much calls. This is 15 calls I have given in this month, and except one, all have done well. You can see this. All have done well. This I have been showing you in my yesterday's video also. This one stop loss. Other were hardly any stop loss. So accumulation of roughly 900 points in 15 trades, which means if one buys even two lots through my trades and accumulates 900 roughly 900 points, he is making 45,000 gross, which by no mean and by no standard a lesser earning. And I always ensure to give the remarks on what went in the market and why I concluded on this trade to be taken. So people, if you are interested, you may join my premium group also. For further details, you can get in touch with me through my WhatsApp number mentioned in these videos. So friends, I'm not going to make longer videos as I planned yesterday, because since that was the first day. So this is my analysis for Bank Nifty for 8th of December. So I see a gap up and Bank Nifty moving as high as 37,700, 37,800 levels. There is a very less chance of Bank Nifty reversing from today's high, it is likely to move above today's high. So till I come up with the next video, uh, just take care, be in touch with me. Please subscribe the channel, watch it, share it, and give the like button. And I want to have interaction with each of you, because this is how I'm going to move towards making quality videos for all of you. So till we meet next time, take care and bye bye.